Brook Farm for the running of the chickens. We have about 100.
I wonder where she is.
And so the chickens come out of the barn, and then they go wherever they like to go eat. Some of them like to go in the other barn and lay their eggs in there, and they always go to the same place.
Really?
Yeah. So when they come out, they have their favorite spots to go lay their eggs.
Do you let them outside?
They're outside all day long, and then at night they will automatically go back into their coop. Yep. As soon as it gets dark, they know it's time to go inside. Keep away from predators. And then there are a few that are just little stragglers.
Can you pet the chicken?
Yes.
Like that?
Hey, does you want to pet this up?
Regarde la petite.
Oh, regarde,
Elle a vraiment envie d'être. Oui, elle a vraiment envie d'être.
Wanna hold the chicken?
Tu veux le tenir, Elise? Yeah. Tu veux le tenir? Prends-le. Yeah. Tu dis yes?
Hold her wing.
Tu dois tenir ses ailes.
Voilà, ah, il va faire une faute là. C'est la chance, il y en a qui.
Oh no.
Et c'est un fort bonheur.
That's why we wear boots.
Alors, ça fait quoi de tenir un poulet l'hiver? She doesn't make anything.
She was. That's really funny.
Well, not when she's gone. She will eat her food.
And then they just spend the rest of their day outside, looking for bugs and looking for food. Hello, girls. Hello. Oh. And this is where they get their water during the day. This is the water cooler.